Hello everyone, my name is Milton. I'm going to show you in this short video my strategy to solve Wordle in about 2 minutes. There is a spoiler alert though. This strategy only works in the normal mode, although the idea could be extended to hard mode as well. Now the process is really quite mechanical and it might take away some of the challenge. So if you want to really exercise your brain to the utmost, perhaps this video is not the best one for you. Anyway, so the strategy is really quite simple. I use 4 fixed words all the time to generate hints. So I put these 4 words and it doesn't take much time at all. Now I still need the analysis part, which comes after the 4 words. So I would analyze these hints that came up methodically and formed valid words from the remaining letters. Some of the letters that I've shown here. Okay, the Q is missing. And then plus any words that came up as hint. This one is one from before. So anyway, I'll show you later. Now, a couple other things is that I would try even words that I'm not really sure if they are valid or that I'm not familiar with, because there's really no penalty for it. And I will not spend any time debating on whether I use a word or not. So if it works, great. But if it doesn't, then I try again. Now, the most important thing is that you must not violate any rules that came up before as your hints. Okay. So now I'm just going to show you an example. This is a site that has all the past Wordle, okay, Wordle examples. So I just go to random. Now I'm going to do a little bit slower, just to give you an idea. Okay, so I would put in the words to come up here a bit. So I would put in my standard 4 words. You might want to not. You might want to come up with your own. That's the fun part actually. So, but these 4 words, they really should cover as many any words as possible, and then it would leave you the ones that are quite rare, okay, and then you can eliminate them, okay. So with this, I did my 4 words. So I got 3 hints, 3 hits. So in here I would put down the 3 hints. So I have an L, I have an O, and a P. I put down these because these letters could be repeated, so you have to be careful about that. Okay, so now you could do it methodically, and you could, if you are fast, then you could just look at the 3 and try to find the solution in your head. But if you want to be methodical, you could go down the list. I'll illustrate here. So I just look at the first letter and what it would be. So a Q is probably not, it will not fit in here because we don't have a U. So ZL doesn't sound like, it does not have to be an L, okay? So it should be a Z. And I don't see right away, so I would not cross it out. I would leave it there. I really don't see a Z, so Z could be a C. It could form with an OP and so on. So I'll leave it out for now. So X, again, I leave it out similarly. X something, remember there's a Y, okay? So it's still a possibility. Again, so V is, okay, I don't see any obvious one. O, because there's an O, V, O, P, L, V, O, so I don't see one. And then the Y, so it could be a Y. So there's one vowel, so Y, O, Y O O. I don't see any thing obvious. Okay, so be a J, and I don't see anything right away. So we are left with with this with these hints. So okay, so I can okay, so just to go down this, I can see one word, but I just want to show you that, and I could try an L, so an L L O O loop, and can the loopy. I don't even know if that's a word, okay, but it doesn't violate any rules, so I could try that, okay? And okay, well, right away. So I was going to try other ones, poly, but anyway, so that I don't even know what is loopy means, a strange word. But anyway, so that's the idea of I don't know how long it takes, but it's quite fast, and I think you got the idea. You could try it out, and then you could develop your own strategy based on these kind of concepts. I hope that helps. Okay, thank you.